Hi, I'm Phil, and this is my talk show host. And today, we're talking about um, Sesame Street. Yay! You know that last Sesame Street video I made? It was hilarious. Man, let me tell you, if I did some of the voices, I guess I could have a shot at doing something. Hey, usually Elmo had his own talk show. It's the Not Too Late show with Elmo. Sorry, folks. Folks, looks like they appeared. Let me get them. Hey, everyone. It's Elmo. Hey, Elmo. Yes. Do you like Sesame Street? I'm on Sesame Street. Of course I do. Why wouldn't I? Well, for instance, maybe you should talk to the viewers out there. I really love sleeping with you. You're a cutie. Anyway, folks, sorry. I love being with my Elmo. I sleep with him in my bed a lot because I love Sesame Street. All right, Elmo, you ready to fly? Yes. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Elmo, to the rescue. Oh, sorry. Nurse, will you get that? Oh well. Hey everyone. I hope you don't mind. Sorry about the usual stuff. But hey, I bet you're all ready for summer. It's the hottest spot on earth. Yeah, let me tell you. I love summer. The beaches, boat riding, tubing. Yeah, those are fun activities. What's your favorite summer activity? Maybe you want to tell me all about it. Yeah, I know. I'm really a cool kid. So anyway, folks, looks like I got some work to do before the summer. Tune in next time on Phil the Puppet Boy, or should I say Phil's talk show host. Usually just call it Phil the Puppet Boy. Okay? See you next time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you later. Lucky, I want to eat you. Lucky the man.